Hey everyone, out here in the garage. I'm going to do another Goldstrike project, and what I'm going to do here is, as you can see, I've got the Goldstrike twin rail, highway pegs, the twin rail, brake pedal, and the twin rail driver's footrest. So I got to looking and I flipped these things down. Man, check that out. That doesn't match. These are all Goldstrike products right here by Ciro Corporation. So I got to looking to see how do you change these bad boys out. And I just decided to go ahead and do this. Just reach down right here, peel it up. See all those holes down there? All these tabs matching the hole. Okay. And just take this, do whatever you want to, make an elbow rest out of it or something. Put it in a circular file. And the Goldstrike twin rail passenger footrest right here. This just goes in just like that. Look at that, nice and easy. Pound it down, make sure it seats in there really good, which it does. I already put it on the other side. So down it goes, up it goes, easy. So if you want your footrests all to match, these are the ticket right here, that's for sure. I just like to make sure they're all seating the right way here. You may have to work with it for a few minutes, but here, I'll show it to you on the other side. I already got the other side done. This is my 2023 Honda Goldwing. There it is on the other side, sitting pretty. Matching that, and of course, matching that. All looks pretty good, man. I like it. I dig the Goldstrike products. Anyway, guys, keep safe on your Goldwings out there. Easy riding in the summertime. Watch out for the bugs. Get them before they get you. Take care.